first game of week 3. They've not stopped yet. Spirit Rush into the chomp. Kobe gets caught. He's killed. Giants have found themselves another window of opportunity.
Fight mid. Can we fight mid? Holy shit!
They destroy the turret and they finish off the base.
They no more.
Nice. We're walking in there. We're gonna be there too. Be there. We can fight. Wait for Lucian. Let's go.
Left.
Freddy's the first victim as he's killed by Spin's auto attacks. The culling is firing away, making extinct. Origin destroy Rocket's Nexus.
Okay. Hamsu. We can fight. Fighting.
Let's go. Nice.
I push.
And gamers too take the game over Fnatic.
By the way, is it normal that in-game we hear them screaming Steve?
Yeah, it is.
Ah, okay.
Can you try not pull the camera on Steve all the time?
Yeah, please tell them, please. We want to be famous as well, you know.
Chachi got the ultimate still, and the binding lands onto Joko. Steve jumps in, but there's Chachi going to the back line, and he is just destroying everybody. Unicorns of Love come up big and take the win against Elements.
We can go. Keep going, no? They're on me. Hola. MF.
Go.
HUK with the win over Vitality.